In this video, I'll show you how you can add and then edit text inside of Photopea. So what you need to do is make sure you've got a canvas open here and go to the text tool, which is in around about the bottom left hand corner. And when you've got that enabled, you can just click anywhere on the screen and then start typing. Now when you start typing, it's going to enter in some text here. So you can see here is our text. Now what you need to do now is you can highlight it by clicking Ctrl A, or you can go ahead and just highlight the whole thing with your arrow cursor here. You can then go to the size. So if you click this button here, you can make the size bigger or smaller. So let's say we want it like that. If you then click this button here at the top, which is like your arrow selection tool, you can then move it around like so. Now, if you want to transform it even more, you can click on the transform tools, which is up here, and you can then again make it bigger or smaller. Now, if you hold shift while you're doing this, it's going to lock it and maintain the aspect ratio here, so it's not going to go all distorted like this. To change the color of it, all you need to do is go back to the text tool. We can then again highlight all of the text. You can then choose the black color here by default and change it to any color. Also, for some extra effects here, if you double click on the text layer, you'll open up the layer style box, and here you can add a drop shadow to your text and you can customize this. And all of these sliders can be moved up and down so you can customize exactly how you want it. You can also use the stroke tool here, so you can add a stroke to your text. And you can also add a gradient, so if you want a gradient to go across your text, you can go and add that. So click gradient. You can then enter two colors to make a gradient. So that's how you add text and edit it inside of Photopea.